Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and looking into my resources for these jobs, you guys. This company is called Starbucks. Who's not familiar with Starbucks? Starbucks is a wonderful, wonderful restaurant to go to and to get a nice thing of coffee, juices, and all that great stuff. So they are hiring for this job position, a job role from home. It's a data analyst position and hiring for multiple openings. It's a remote position, so you can apply today. And it's very limited because it's closing very, very, very soon. September the 16th, job posting end date. So they're not going to be lasting long, you guys. Encouraged to apply, fair chance. So this job does not state how much they're going to pay. But if you apply at the company website, you'll see the privacy statement. You go through that, you agree to those, or you not agree to it. It depends on what your preferences are about what you read. And then you go ahead and create an account as a new candidate or a return. And then you apply for this position as job analyst, or you can look into other remote positions that they have. If they might have any, you can go scrolling through and see. But this job is based out in Seattle, Washington. It's a remote position. And the job posting was exactly on August the 17th, as of 5 days ago. 5.5 days ago. And is this role eligible for remote or hybrid work? Yes, remote. And Starbucks data analytics. So it said now brewing data analyst remote to be a partner. That's the hashtag. From the beginning, Starbucks set out to be a different kind of company. One that not only celebrate coffee and the rich tradition, but that also brought a feeling of connection. We are known for developing extraordinary leaders who share this passion and are guided by their service to others. As a data analyst on the data analytics, insights, and business operations team, you will work functionally with data engineers, data scientists, business experts, and external vendors to help Starbucks make decisions better by using data and analytics. You will work on a variety of projects that include building analytical models, coding, data visualization, and storytelling to help us identify opportunities. You will quickly become an expert in one of our key business and data domains: supply chain, people analytics, marketing, or store, and work cross-functionally in an analytics center of excellence to improve existing processes or analytical approaches. You will participate in discussions with business partners to define business questions, extract data from various databases, perform exploratory data analysis, cleanse messages, and aggregate data. Apply basic statistical concepts and descriptive statistics to understand and describe relationships in data. Create impactful visual representations of analytical insights and concise summaries of methodology geared to the audience needs, presents selected portions to stakeholders. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regards to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, or status as a protected veteran. We are committed to creating a diverse and welcoming workplace that includes partners with diverse backgrounds and experiences. We believe that enables us to better meet our mission and values while serving customers throughout our global communities. People of color, women, LGBTQIA+, veterans, and persons with disabilities are encouraged to apply. Qualified applicants with criminal histories will be considered for employment in a manner consistent with all federal, state, and local ordinances. Starbucks Corporation is committed to offering reasonable accommodations to job applicants with disabilities. If you need assistance or any accommodation due to a disability, please contact us at applicantaccommodation@starbucks.com. And they posted this job 5 days ago. And you guys, this job posting will end on September the 16th of 2022. So go ahead and apply, you guys. Get into it, you guys. Now, the next job will be an IT support job as being a trainee for this company called JobWorks Education and Training Systems. It's based out in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's a remote position that starts at $18. Well, the pay is $18 per hour full time. And the qualification that you will have to have, I'm not signed in, so it says misqualification, but experience you will need to have is Mac OS, and education and certificates is CompTIA A+. And you can get certified if you're not. Take classes and whatever you have to do to get this certification in a legit way. Do Indeed. When it comes to certification, education, make sure you do your research on these companies and everything, because I have, and look for the certificate program for this job so you can get into IT support as becoming an IT support trainee for JobWorks Education and Training Systems. Now, the qualifications for this job, all these qualifications are preferred. Is Help Desk 1 year preferred, Windows 1 year preferred, U.S. Work Authorization preferred. Full job description. This IT support trainee opportunity is perfect for someone looking to start their IT career but doesn't have much of, if any, IT work experience. This is an entry-level position, you guys, an entry-level position. And so was the Starbucks position, entry-level position. What we are looking for are strong customer service skills, no prior IT experience necessary, only basic digital literacy skills. You can send emails, use word processing tools, and browse the internet, etc. Must have a high school diploma or equivalency diploma. Must be authorized to work in the U.S. The desire to grow and learn, and a passion for technology, a readiness to grow, and a drive to work hard. Now, the contract length for this job is 3 to 4 months, and it's a full-time opportunity. So if you're looking for a short-term job, if you're a college student, or if you're a mother who's a stay-at-home mother, just want a part-time job to make ends meet or get things paid for, such as home basics, utility bills, this is maybe the job for you. It's high paying, starts at $18 an hour, you guys. It's a Monday through Friday job. It's a remote job. It's an 8-hour shift job. They say 8-hour shift, so it's part-time and full-time. But it says the contract length is 3 to 4 months, so it's a full-time job. Excuse me, you guys, it's a full-time job, as I stated above earlier. Sorry, I got thrown off by the 3 to 4 months contract length. But it is a full-time job description. Monday to Friday, and once again, they are ongoing. Need to fill this role. And they're not saying the amount of people that they're looking for. They just need to fill this role. So they're still looking, you guys. They're still searching for people to fill this role for JobWorks Education and Training Systems. And that'll be all for this video, guys. Like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. And oh yeah, did I mention the like button once more again? Smash that like button, and I'll give you guys the opportunities that have been knocking at your door. Open those positive doors and get into it, you guys. Let's go. See you guys on the next video.